How to remove location from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Privacy and Security. This section allows you to manage which apps have access to your personal data, including location, contacts, and photos. Here, tap on Location Services at the very top. You are now in the Location Services menu. Tap on the toggle switch at the top to disable it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Simply tap on the Turn Off button to proceed. Your location services will now be turned off for all apps. Following these steps, you can easily remove location services on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.